Hi, I'm Fred Spencer and this is Fred's Minute.
So I'm here with Paula and we're looking at cactuses. For those of us who don't have a green thumb, there's some pretty nice ones here at Walmart in case you're looking for them, and I think they're only $8.98 each.
Well, the thing we're all watching for in Kelowna this year and the rest of the Okanagan is spring flooding. We have a huge snow pack in the mountains, 50% above normal, and we had flooding problems last year, and this year it looks like it could even be worse. We're all hoping for a slow spring, you know, not too hot, not too cold, so everything just melts off at the right rate. But creeks are building up already, and the outlook is not positive. Not necessarily totally negative, but not positive. This is Mill Creek, and as you can see from the sandbags, people are definitely getting ready for flooding. Getting to be an annual event. Well, that's my vlog for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.